In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign roles in Hubstaff. If you need to update a team member's permissions in Hubstaff, this is a simple process once you know where to look. Assigning the correct role is important because it determines what that person can access and manage inside your organization. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the role settings and change them for a member. To begin, open Hubstaff and go to the People section. This is where you manage the users connected to your organization, including their membership details, access, and role settings. Once you're in People, look for the Members area and click on Members to open the full list. On this page, you'll see the people who have been added to the workspace. Take a moment to locate the specific member whose role you want to change. In the role column for that person, click the pencil icon. That edit icon is what allows you to update the current role assignment. After that, you'll be taken into the Members settings. From here, go to the role field and click on it. This opens the available role options you can assign. Depending on your organization's setup, you may see different levels of access, so it's a good idea to choose carefully based on what that person actually needs to do in Hubstaff. Now, select the role you want to assign. Once you make your selection, Hubstaff will apply that new role to the member. This change affects their permissions, so be sure you're assigning the appropriate level of access before moving on. A helpful tip here is to review the member's responsibilities before changing a role. For example, some users may only need basic access, while others may need broader administrative permissions. Keeping roles accurate helps maintain security and prevents unnecessary access to settings or data. If you're managing a growing team, it's also a good habit to periodically review roles for all members, especially after internal changes like promotions, department moves, or new responsibilities. That way, everyone keeps the right level of access without creating confusion later. And that's it. That's how to assign roles in Hubstaff. Once you know where the people and members sections are, the process is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.